Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix update Apple ID setting verification failed. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to update your Apple ID setting, you get a pop-up message that verification failed. So let's see how can you easily fix this issue, or it might be this one in your case. So let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing is that you have to check if your Apple ID account and sign in is working properly on your phone. You have to open your browser here and you have to simply search for Apple system status, and you have to open the first website from here and then tap on this option here, and you'll get, now scroll down and you'll find an option of iCloud account and sign in. Here if you find it available, so it might be your network issue, so it is working on your phone. Now you just have to go back. And the very first step is that you have to try to make a forced restart of your iPhone or iPad. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. Once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone and you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not. Open your settings here and here tap on that option and verify yourself if it's still not fixed. So you have to try to sign out your Apple ID. So here tap on your Apple ID here, then tap on sign out option, then tap on sign out but don't erase. Then tap on continue here. Tap on continue again. Enter here your Apple ID password and then sign out from your iPhone Apple ID. Once you have signed out, you have to re-sign in. And after that, you have to check if your issue is fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed. So you just have to try to change your Apple ID password here. So tap on your Apple ID again. Go for sign in and security section. And here tap on change password. Now enter your iPhone passcode. And here you have to try to change your Apple ID password. Enter a new password here, then retype your new password, and then tap on continue, and your Apple ID password will be changed. And after changing your Apple ID password, you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed. So you just have to try to switch between your network or try a different network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you have to try to use cellular data. If you are using cellular data, try to connect your strongest Wi-Fi connection. You can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings, or you can try to make a reset of your network settings. Go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting, and from the confirmation pop-up it will reset all of your network setting. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after resetting your network setting, your issue will be fixed. Or if it is still not fixed, so I recommend you have to try to downgrade your iOS version using your PC or your laptop. And after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.